Alright, let's have a look at some examples of the for each loop. Let's start with the basic example. I'm having an array of numbers here. And I'm going to start with a very easy example. I'm just going to iterate over the numbers here. So I'm going to say for every int number in my array of numbers, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to be printing the number for now. So if I run this, it's going to print every number that is in my numbers array, as you can see. Alright, but let's do something more interesting, something I also would not need the index for, so perhaps I would want to sum. I would initialize my sum to 0, and in here I would just do sum plus equals the current number that I'm iterating over, and afterwards I'll print the sum is, followed by the sum. Alright, let's run this again. And as you can see right now, it sums up the numbers leading to the sum of 45. And this can be done in a very, very easy, nice manner with the for each loop. Clearly, this could also have been done with the for loop, but it would have been a bit more work. So now we have seen the practical examples of the for each loop. It's time to continue with another topic, and that's break and continue. We've seen break already, but we haven't seen continue just yet. So let's see how we can use these with loops.